Hey, everybody, how are you? I hope you're doing great. I'm gonna make sure this is fast, easy, cute. We're gonna do a turkey, a very cute way to make a turkey. And it's fun, cool colors, yellow or golden rose, but with orange. It's gonna play a very cool idea, don't you think? So you need just a 5-inch round. 5-inch round, good quality. So you choose what do you have with you. Cecilia, what about another one? Like 350, whatever. You know, guys, at the end, I share with you ideas and you make it better. That is the whole thing. So this is just kind of some ideas. I like it. I'm going to share with you. And it's supposed to be fast. Again, if you don't have a hard red, play with any other balloon, 260, 350, puff the air, and you have two sizes there. I like the heart because you have this other shape that can make it cool. But I just puff the air. Then a 5-inch round inflated. Let me see if my inflator, because I think inflators in some way they died. They don't inflate the same. Look, this one is not the same anymore. I don't know if I need to fix it. I don't know how. Okay, now you just put it that fits in the palm of your hand, something like that. Things doesn't have to be perfect. We try and do our best. If this is your first time doing this shape, less air here is gonna make things easier. Tie it close to the nozzle, a little bit of the tip. Why not? Okay, squish your up, make a two-finger bubble, and then this is gonna be soft and squishable. So then you're gonna make like a 3-finger bubble and make a pinch twist, and wherever is left over is the head. Okay, so keep that pinch twist. Look how cool, a pinch twist, a bubble in the back, the head. Now grab what colors the kids will like, but I think it's better yellow or golden rose and orange. So I'm gonna go with golden rose and orange. You inflate both approximately 3-finger tail, something like that. Okay, and let's do this together. Let's see, because I know now by practicing this 3-finger bubble or 4-finger bubble tail, both the same size, that is better if you make the shapes at the same size as possible. Yeah, I discovered that already. So you're gonna create first, like look, like loops approximately how big? Like 8-finger loop. Okay, twist it together, nice and gentle, lock, and then create again 8-finger loop. Okay, and now with the one that is the orange, you're just gonna create another 8-finger loop as is possible. Okay, because at the end things doesn't have to be perfect. We're trying to do our best. Another loop. Okay, what to do with all this? Just wrap it around, and look, it's shorter, but it is what it is, right? Here with this, you just need to maybe make one bubble pinch twist. If you can make another one, but I don't recommend you more, because you need this for the legs and feet and beak. So I'm gonna cut this. Don't use your teeth, use your cutter, your nails. Sorry. Just wrap it around, and then with this you just need to make sure you have 3-finger bubble, and then a pinch twist or a little bubble for the beak. So that makes 3 + 3 + 1, 7, right? So we're gonna measure 7, and the rest we lose the air. So 4 + 7, and then we lose the air. Things doesn't have to be perfect. We try and do our best. So 3-finger bubble, no 3-finger bubble, 3 to 4-finger bubble is good enough. That's okay. Don't panic. If this is big, it's getting bigger. It's okay. Nothing bad. I tighten this, and whatever is left over, I'm gonna make it. If it's too big, just make it as a little pinch twist. Okay. So tie it there and wrap it around. With practice, you're gonna make this much easier. It's just this, and then you can wrap things around. Where it goes, this big goes on the top here, and then the rest wraps around. Okay, things doesn't have to be perfect, but we're trying to do our best. There we go, the legs. There we go, the beak that is gonna be shaping horizontal, and then this is gonna be the connection for all these loops. So just put it in the middle. Make sure the orange, you have it intercalate the color. So how is that intercalate the color? That means this one goes right here, right? Orange, golden rose, orange, golden rose, orange. Like it's a bummer that one is slightly smaller. So play with that when you do that, kind of like If it's easier, 7-finger loop instead of 8. Okay, so you have this. What to do now? Cecilia, the feet. It's okay. We're gonna do this fast. So, hey everybody, just a little break here to invite you, all of you, to like, comment, subscribe, and considering to become an exclusive member of this awesome YouTube channel. There is 2 memberships. Hey everybody, and good vibes. That way you're gonna be supporting and helping a lot this YouTube channel to keep growing and sharing all these awesome tutorials for everybody that love balloon twisting. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Keep watching. We're gonna do the weaving to make it look much organized here. How to do the weaving? There is a tutorial I have in this YouTube channel, many YouTube videos about this weaving. This is the way I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make it slowly, but one of the tricks that you don't see sometimes on camera, it's that you have to, whatever you do, this hand that is hiding in the back keeps holding everything. So just look, this is the front, okay? That's what you're gonna see. I'm starting with this and these 2 colors. So I'm just crossing it. Look, the one in the back goes in the front and the front in the back. And now I keep holding this hand, keep holding everything while now the next one, this loop. This one in the front is gonna go in the back, and this one from the back, yellow, is gonna go in the front, just crossing it. But remember, my left hand is holding it now. How is my left hand? Look, holding it. It's holding it. And now when I have the next one, I can only give it a little bit of a space now to the first one, and go just to be ready, the left hand to hold it. Keep pushing the front to the back and holding it. My left hand is holding it. And the same to the other side. And again, guys, you hold it for a moment, so balloons, are flexible and also keeps memory. They have memory, right? Now, you accommodate the things the way you want it to be looking at. And then what to do here? Yes, you just let it be there. Yeah, it's ready. But sometimes I like this feet is just to keep it as bubbles. I prefer sometimes to keep it a pinch twist. It's up to you. The only shape is gonna help to accommodate better, but sometimes it doesn't. So I'm just pulling a little bit. See, pulling up a little bit, so just so people can see it from the front. And that is pretty much the design. What to do now here? Just grab eyeballs and the heart. Okay, if you don't have heart, think about any 350, puff the air, split in half and do the same as this. It's in the half. I puff the air, pull and connect it here. Look, pull and pin and pin and pin, and just go to the bottom, and it gives it this cute, fun effect. It's an idea. With the googly eyes, it's gonna make the things easier, cuter. But play with any sticker eyes or Sharpie time. A lot of you who love to play with Sharpie time. What is gonna save me time are stickers, and these ones are very cool. You can find it on Amazon, and I like the idea that it's on a sheet because it's much easier to peel it out. And look at this, that's it. Eyebrows, feathers, you decide if you want to do later more details, but this is a very cute concept. I am very happy. This is basic, simple. Play with that. Please tag me on social media as @alpaca_global. Play with different tones of browns, different tones of yellow. I'm gonna show you the whole thing. Give it a try. Don't think it's too hard. Look, sometimes playing with techniques, okay, combining techniques makes things cuter because you already know these techniques. If you don't know the weaving technique, practice it. It's a very fun one. It can be for many different things, like princess dresses, flowers, and also the tail for this turkey. Look at this. Thank you so much for the good vibe. Don't forget Bling Bling Jam Balloon Convention, the best balloon convention. I'm gonna be there on 2026. I already registered, and not just that, I'm getting married. Woohoo! And so on the next Bling Bling Jam that is gonna be in Las Vegas from November 8 to November 12, this lady that is super cool that it's getting married. I'm gonna be celebrating my 20th anniversary, and everybody's invited. Just register. You're gonna enjoy all the workshops, the balloon classes that happens for 4 days consecutive, all day.
But there's gonna be at night, I think, some celebration, something very cool. My husband will be there, so we are gonna celebrate our 20th anniversary. Already my family from Peru say that they're gonna be there, so I think it's gonna be a special time, and I wish you can be there. Registrations are open, and yeah, on top of that, that for me is special, there is gonna be lots of balloon artists that are already, kind of be convocated to be the instructors. People coming from different countries, and you can have that experience to connect with balloon artists, balloon twisters, balloon lovers from all around the world in person and have a wonderful time. It's an amazing experience that I do it every year. I love Bling Bling Jam Balloon Convention, and I wish more people could go, because that's the way this convention can keep surviving. And that's why, even if you think, Cecilia, but I don't think I can make it in person, it's too hard to go from China all the way to Las Vegas on Bling Bling Jam. But nothing is impossible. But guess what? You can, as soon as you're registered, you are there, and you will receive the Zoom meetings links and copy of the links, so then you can watch it and rewatch it, even if you don't make it in each Zoom meeting once a month for a whole year. And on top of that, even if you don't make it in person because something happened and you cannot be there, well, you will receive all the classes that happen in Vegas on links, so you will be able to watch it anytime, everywhere you are. And people that goes in person, like for me, and I love to have fun there, and maybe I miss some classes, no matter what, I will receive also the links for the classes. I can watch it in my house, in my balloon room, anytime I want. So that is the best balloon convention for that reason, and also because the vibes are amazing. Very beautiful people. I have to go now. I'm going to a concert. That's why you see me with this outfit. But of course, I'm not going to take my thing here. Have a wonderful day. Ciao, ciao.